Tonight on an all-new episode of Lonesome Twins on the Run.
There she is, Rhett.
Welcome to the
You think I should go talk to her?
Garage yet again.
Why not? What have we got to lose?
Well, the last time we saw her, we were up to our waists in blood, guts, engine oil, and demons at that old garage back in Jersey.
Yeah, I think you should probably leave her be. Looks like she's moved on at this point and that. You should probably leave out that.
No. I'm gonna go talk to her. Yeah. That's the best thing to do. I'll go talk to her.
Well,
All right, guys. That's
it's
a
your
wrap on
funeral
this
there,
episode
brother.
of KBCC
Go
Garage.
on ahead.
Lester makes his confession,
I still love you.
but is Jessie ready to hear it?
No.
Wait. The ghost of Angela Jones is back. And our Les and Rhett in a trap they can't get out of.
Les, that ain't Jessie. Get out of there.
Do not miss the Season 3 premiere, The Lonesome Twins on the Run. Tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern. Be there on the WCLIF Networks.